Does anyone know what a jukebox is?
You know, fool, know.
Tell us, Mr. Audio.
In November of 1889, Louis Glass and William Arnold invented the nickelodeon, a coin-operated machine that would play a single Edison cylinder after a coin was deposited and a spring was wound with a hand crank. Their first machine was installed at the Palais Royale Saloon in San Francisco, where it generated $1,000 in only 6 months, proving that people would actually pay to hear recorded music. In 1918, Holbart Niblack invented a mechanism so that multiple selections could be played on the same device. So, by 1927, Automatic Musical Instruments Company, AMI, introduced the first selectable music player. Justus Seeburg developed the Audiophone that had 8 turntables playing 78 RPM flat discs as opposed to Edison Cylinders. And later, Seeburg introduced the Selectophone that had 10 turntables. In the 1940s, these music players started to be called jukeboxes, derived from the term juke joints, a derogatory name for a venue with extremely rowdy patrons. In the late 40s, companies like AMI, Seeburg, Wurlitzer, and others began building jukeboxes with a large menu of songs, and some with neon and bubble lights. When 45s started to be produced in 1948, the jukeboxes switched from 78s to 45s. Jukeboxes also had counters that recorded how many times each song was played, so that owners could remove the less popular records and replace them with more popular ones. In fact, it was the jukebox that inspired Todd Storrs to develop Top 40 radio. The peak of jukebox popularity was from the 1940s through the 1960s, and in the 40s, 3/4 of all records pressed went into jukeboxes.
Thanks, Mr. Audio.
For more interesting facts about sound, visit Mr. Audio at soundimages.com.